Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakaria and ID number 20000327071. Principles of Islamic Banking and Finance. Seven major principles of Islamic banking. Islam has set values and goals that meet all the economic and social requirements of the human life. Islam is a religion that not only focuses on the success of the afterlife, but also organizes the life of a person perfectly. The Islamic laws are known as Shari, that means clear path. The present banking system is based on prohibited financial elements, which are against the principles of Islamic banking. Here we discuss the seven major principles of Islamic finance and banking. 1. Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the key principles of Islamic finance, where the partners will share their profit and loss according to the part they played in the business. There will be no guarantee on the rates of the return. That the Muslim will play the part of a partner and not a creditor. 2. Shared risk. In the economic transition, the risk sharing is promoted by the Islamic banking, when two or more parties will share the risk, which is based on the principle of Islamic banking. The burden of the risk will be divided and reduced in the parties, so it will improve the economic activity of the state. 3. Riba. It can be regarded as the provision of interest. A. The wealth will get the return without any risk or effort. B. Regardless of the outcome of economic activity, the person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to the lender. C. According to the principles of Islamic finance, taking advantage of the issues that others are faking is unjust. 4. Gharar. According to the Islamic finance principle, Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction. According to Islamic rules, both parties should have a proper control over the business, as well as the complete information should be shared with both parties, so that the profit and loss will be equally shared. 5. Gambling. In Islam, the acquisition of the wealth through evil means or participation in gambling is prohibited. It will protect the Muslim from the conventional insured product because that is a type of gambling. On the other hand, Islamic banking works in tactful that involves mutual responsibility and shared risk. 6. No investment in prohibited industries. The industries that are harmful to society or have a threat to the social responsibilities are prohibited in Islam. They include pornography, prostitution, alcohol, pork, drug. One is not allowed to invest in such industries or even participate in the mutual fund that will help the industries to flourish. 7. Zakat. There is a property tax included in the rules of Islam that is known as zakat, which allow the balanced distribution of wealth. According to the Islamic banking principles, the fair amount of zakat is deducted from the equity of Muslim in the holy month of Ramadan. Islamic banking promotes social responsibility and distribute the amount among the needy. Conclusion. Principles of Islamic banking guide us to invest in industries that will help us to achieve the financial and social objectives that have been determined by Islam. They been designed to make an economy successful, so it is a way of saving our money from being invested in a wrong path. You may create principles of Islamic banking PDF and learn about other important issues such as financial crisis and Islamic finance. Additionally, several models are taught during PhD Islamic Economics, Diploma Islamic Banking and Finance KPM and Islamic Banking Certification Program. I am Zakaria saying thank you.